Hello students, Mr. Young here. Welcome to our first current events assignment. Let's talk about how this works. Pretty simple. What you're going to do for step one is choose a news article, preferably within the last week, so it's still a current event and not like a current event from months ago. And then you're going to write 2 paragraphs about it. So step one, choose an article. Step two, read the article. As you read the article, think about these questions. Where does the article take place? What is this article mostly about? What are the important details? What are 3 important details from this article? How does it relate to you? And why did you like the article? Or why did you not like the article? And then you submit an assignment about it. Real simple. You're writing 2 paragraphs. Summarize the article in the first paragraph. Include where the article took place, what the article was mostly about, and those 3 important details. And in the second paragraph, explain how this article relates to you or impacts your life, why you didn't like it, anything like that. So first paragraph, what's the article about? Second paragraph, why is it important to you? That's about it. So you're writing 2 paragraphs. Really, you get a broad range. You really have a lot of freedom on this. This assignment's worth 10 points. Be sure to check your spelling and grammar. Now, the word on the street is this year some of these news sites that you used to be able to use last year might not work this year. So this might have a little bit of a learning curve on it. So I will remind you that you can use a physical newspaper as well, or any news website that you can get to work. Anything. I had a kid last year who did video game news from like his Nintendo magazine for every single submission. That's fine. Also keep in mind that it is possible that even though a news site is blocked on this computer, you might be able to look at it on your phone or another computer or something like that. Just find a way to make it work if these initial websites fight you. That's basically it. So get it done, please. And if we have a lot of problems, a lot of issues with finding news articles because none of these websites work anymore, we'll fire and adjust for the next assignment. So please remember to tell me where you got your news from. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Please inbox me. Otherwise, good luck with your current event assignment.